Hey, what's going on, guys? So second day out trying my my FS Marauder homemade body. So we'll see how it goes. Dad's back out with me with the mask on. So yeah, I got my mask just in case. So I'll get set up, guys. I think I made the chassis a bit strong. Yeah, I made the chassis too strong. Yeah, that's what I said. Everything's just real weak now. It's the reason why the chassis was weak. One big one before it really dies. Don't know how it's surviving. Almost a good one. Yeah, battery. Alright guys, before I put a faucet on, I'm going to do one thing quickly. Look, everyone's gone now. Reckon it'll make it? Let's see what damage I've done already. That was nice. Oh, this stinks. Oh, oh! Maybe I won't put a 4-cell in it. Alright guys, I'm going to let that cool down for a second. Nice. And I brought my little beast. Oh. Oh. Sorry for brush motor. Yeah, a lot of the time the big dogs are scared and the little ones chase it. Normally the big ones run away and the little ones chase it. It's funny. Alright, that's almost it, guys, so I don't think I'm only going to get one more jump out of this. Oh! Oh, I landed it! Yeah. Wow. So I've got to remember not to make these 4-cell. Oh, and me steering. That's it, guys. This car is toast. This car is toast. Don't know what I've done to my steering. Oh, there we go. Oh, she's all good. She's all good. Well, there you go, guys. How was that for a for a durability test? Actually trying to bite it now. Getting sick of it. No, you're alright. At least you'll have a well-rested dog tonight. God, it's a fast dog. Oh, that was pretty bad. Yeah, done major damage. Look at your rear. As if you didn't see that. Dad was just putting his body back on and he was ready to go again.
Lost the bolt.
Oh, that's alright. Just lost the bolt.
I'm off the bench bit too. Is it? What's this one?
Maybe. Maybe. We'll have a look when we get home. Yeah, pretty.
Oh, look.
Pretty ruined. Yeah, I know. As I said, it might be time for you for a
Sure.
new car. Yeah. How's that for sunset, guys? Spewing about the car. We've got a nice sunset. What? Romantic. Alright, so I think that's it, guys. Yeah, a bit of destruction. We're not going to worry about driving these little cars at the moment. We've got to go and make some dinner now. Have a roast chicken for dinner. Alright, back home, guys. And I've chucked the cars up on the bench and checked them over, and there doesn't seem to be much damage at all on my car. But I'll go to Dad's car quickly because technically he hasn't got any damage at all. Now what happened was he lost a screw out of the ball head here, going to the rear carrier. And if you have a look, there's a slight bend in the rear carrier, but that's not going to make a difference, you know. Chuck the drive shaft in, chuck a new screw in, and that'll be as good as new almost. And I chucked the lower arms, aluminium lower arms on for him, so he's got a bit more strength. He does beat up this car a fair bit, so yeah. And going to my car, as you can see, the rear bumper's come off, but I'm going to leave that off anyway because it's really solid. You know, it doesn't really protect the car from hard hits or anything. If not, it probably does more damage, bending the chassis and stuff. The front one's gone, but I'm going to leave it on how it is. If it breaks off, it breaks off. It doesn't really bother me too much. And the major damage, well, not major damage, but the biggest damage on the car at the moment is the plastic piece here. just to hold the ball hinge onto the shock tower. I've got plenty of these. I've got plenty of shocks, got plenty of the shock towers, so yeah, that's an easy fix, 2-minute fix. So that's pretty much it, although I did bend the chassis. Not sure whether you can see that on camera, but I did bend the chassis. So I'm going to chuck the original one back on, sorry guys, because obviously they've made it thin and flexy, you know, for a reason. If it flexes too much, you know, you can just bend it back into place, which that's what I did, because it was really bent, but that's fine now. So it's going to have to do until either I get some really high grade aluminium and make my own sort of, you know, custom made chassis, but I don't know, whatever happens, this one's not going to work, it's too soft. So yeah guys, I mean, that's it. I'll get them put back together, get the original chassis back on that, and yeah, get them back out. Cheers guys, catch us next time.